Good morning and welcome to One Tip a Day by Hariharan. Today we are going to see about a feature offered by Google called Google Forms. I hope you have seen my previous videos regarding WhatsApp, Telegram, DigiLocker and so many other videos, and hope you have enjoyed it. I thank you all for the encouragement given to me, motivating me to make more informative videos. I request you to subscribe to my channel, follow me to get more information on technology, health, wealth and prosperity. So, what is Google Form? Google Form is a feature offered by the Google to collect data. It is free for personal use. You can collect data like name, address, phone numbers, email address, whichever data you want you can collect. Even if you want to take a feedback, you can make a feedback form. You want to make a survey form, you can make a survey form. You want to ask question and answers, you can make that. So it is a very useful feature. So how to use Google Forms? Open your browser. Once you open your browser, you can go and search for Google Forms. You will see Google Forms, free online service for personal use. Go and click it. You will get a window like this. In that, Google Personal, go to Google Forms. You can select. Once you select that, you will be redirected to window to sign in. You can choose your account to sign in. Once you sign in using your Gmail account, you are ready with the form. Once you sign in, the form will look like this. So now you can create your form. You can see it is showing as untitled form. You can give a title to the form also. Suppose I am going to collect data for sending some information on health. Let me make it as health survey. You can make it health survey. I can come to the form and ask the question number 1, name. Name. It immediately recognizes it is a short answer, and I can now go to the right. You can see a plus mark, and if I say plus, it will go to the next question. The next question I am asking is age. Age also, it automatically recognises as a short answer. You can say plus, and next question you can ask mobile number. If it is short answer, you can make it a short answer. Drop down, you can see here paragraph or whatever, it is a short answer again. So I click short answer and I go to the next question. I go to the next question. Here I am going to ask, are you interested in the survey? Now you can see there is a multiple choice question. Suggestion it is giving yes, no, maybe, add all. So people can click yes or no or maybe. And next I am going to add, if I want to calculate the email address, I can add an email address, and if I want them to give me a paragraph regarding their health, your present health condition. Now I want them to answer in a brief note. Here in the right you can see multiple choice. I can make it as a paragraph. So they can write a paragraph. So you have got options. Again I will show you: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down. You can even give a file upload, linear scale, whichever thing you feel appropriate for your question, you can select. Once you are done making these questions and making the form ready with questions, multiple choice, paragraph, everything, what you can do is that you can come the right hand top corner, the send button, can come and say send. So we can send via email, you can send via link also, or you can send it through Facebook or Twitter, whichever way you want. So if you want to copy the link, I can copy the link. If you want to shorten the URL, I can say shorten URL so that the link becomes small. Now I can copy, go paste it in WhatsApp or send an email and go and paste in whichever way I want, and I can send the forms to any number of people I want. Here I am copying this link and I got my WhatsApp web open. I can select to the person I want to send, go right click, paste, and I want to add please answer this, and I can say send. You can see health survey form is sent. Now somebody goes and clicks the link, it will go and open the form. Once they open the form, they can fill it up. Say age, mobile number, are you interested in the survey? I can say yes. Present health condition, I can say good, and I can add whatever I want like that and say submit, and it will give you a confirmation your health survey has been recorded. Now when I go to the forms, when I open my Google Gmail or go to Google Forms and open my Gmail account and see, you will see the response has come, response 1 has come. I can go click the response and you can see the data has come. These data can be summarized, exported into Excel, whichever way you want. You can use this data, and this data can be stored as and when you want to use also. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the basics of creating a Google form. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day, and please do not forget to subscribe and follow the video. This is Hariharan signing off on behalf of Mind Tuners. Bye.